What's going on, everybody? Marty Rides here, bringing you another video, a little something different. You feel me? Today we got the infamous Grom. Here it is. It's not just any Grom, it's a special Grom. I'll go into detail in a second. So yeah, guys, this is a pretty special Grom right here. This is a straight 05 speeds Grom. If you guys want to check him out, link down in the description. But yeah, he let me borrow his Grom for today. I previously recorded the video, but it wasn't recording, so I gotta do it again. But obviously, by the title of the video, I'm gonna just talk about what I think about the Grom. My opinion, even though my opinion doesn't matter on the internet, but whatever, I'm gonna still give it. But yeah, let me give a little background to this Grom. This Grom, I don't know what year it is, but it has, I think, a throttle body or intake. I think it has a aftermarket intake, front sprocket, so it makes it a little bit more torqueier. And I don't know if the chain is new. I think the chain is new, so chain, front sprocket, and what else? Yeah, just intake. I don't know if it's an intake or throttle body. Nah, yeah, it's an intake. But yeah, that's all. That's the only thing that's aftermarket. So, and the interesting thing about this bike, it could power wheelie me first gear at 4,000 RPM. What you guys think about that? I'm a 6'3", 240-pound guy, and this could power wheelie me. Hey, and I've got to admit, this shit is fucking fun. This bike is just, oh my god, it's so light. Like, I could throw it around easy. I think the fastest I got it up to was like 62. So Junior told me he doesn't lane split it, but damn, y'all already know me. Lane splitting is life here in California. One thing I cannot complain about this bike. The fuck? That sounds like a fart. One thing I can't complain about this bike is the seating position is so freaking comfortable, man. Like, damn. I feel like I'm freaking riding you know, the recliners. I feel like I'm riding that. Oh shit, that was disgusting.
Darkness, my old friend.
Hey, Junior! I know you're watching this. Yo, this shit takes off now, man. Holy shit. Nah, but like I was saying, the seating position on this bike, it's pretty comfortable, not gonna lie. But if I ever want to wheelie it, I have to sit on the passenger seat. I don't know why, don't ask me. I don't know how to pop the clutch yet. And I don't want to try on this bike because if I pop it too much, I'm gonna fucking stand there at 12 o'clock and I'm gonna eat shit. So, don't judge me, guys. Do not judge me. Also, being on this bike, you get looks from people like, they're like, what the fuck is he on? Lane splitting on this, man. Golly. on, get in front of this silver car. Yeah. One thing that I could see getting kind of annoying at times is a sound of, I think it is just not actually any Grom with an exhaust. I'm guessing it would get kind of annoying because, like, let's say right now, the first I could go is 60. This is all I'm gonna be listening to, like this exact sound, like. And I am guessing that it could get annoying at times. The time it doesn't get annoying is like when you're in neutral and you're just like revving it like burly. Like it pops a little bit, and I think that shit sounds pretty sick.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
I mean, I feel like this bike is loud enough for lane splitting because, you know, people can hear you and you don't have to worry about them not being able to hear you. This has I believe a full system Toast exhaust. So it's not the stock exhaust at all. $563! Oh, that's a personal best. We're about to roll up to the collection, see what's up, see what reactions we can get on this. The fuck you looking at, bro? I see you. Woo. So where was I at? I think I was at the sound. Like, look, I don't know if you guys can hear that. It has like little pops to it. That does not get annoying at all. And then look at first gear, no clutch, just power. Like I could power it smells like weed. I could power wheelie this bitch, bro. Like, come on. Junior hasn't ridden this, so I want to see him because he's lighter than me. I'm pretty sure he can hold it at 12 o'clock. Shit, I'm in second gear. Oh, we got a little Gixxer here. Let's check it out. Looks like a 2003, like an older version. Yeah, like 2004, 2003. Nice. We got the Gixxer gang growing here in Oxnard, bros. Burn some rubber. Bye, all my beautiful subscribers. I got all these people are subscribed to me. If you guys didn't know, look at that's Felicia right there. We go way back. Ah, my ass hurts. Ah, he said what's up to me. Ah, catch up. Come on. Come on. Can't let him beat us like that. Let's go. Fuck. Come on. Push, bitch. Push. Ah, he fucked us up. Oh shit, it's right here. Let's see what he says. What's going on, dude? You guys still have the large sodas for $1?
Yeah.
Could I get a large lemonade?
Large lemonade?
That would be all, bro.
Large lemonade, so it's 108.
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice day.
You too. What's up?
It's a large lemonade. Me 108.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's how you do it, guys. That's how you get yourself a soda from McDonald's on a Grom. Let me drink this whole rock quick. Untighten that. Open this. Insert here. Put it under your chin guard. Oh shit! Oh fuck! This shit fucking bounced! Oh shit! Do a kickflip. Do a kickflip. Hey, do a kickflip. Can you do a kickflip? Can you do a kickflip? Show me.
Nope.
We're almost there. Damn, this is an ugly ass car. What kind of ugly ass freaking plastic dip is this? Piece of shit. Guys, if you guys have Hondas, please do not plastic dip your shit. Oh shit! Fucking dog. Piece of shit. Motherfucker. Fucking scared the fuck out of me. Holy shit. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Just some Grom action for the first time. If you guys are new, make sure to subscribe, like, comment if you guys enjoyed this video. You know, maybe Junior would let me borrow the Grom more often. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to white, so I two-tone.